In this video, I'm going to show you how to change DNS on Ionos. Whether you're looking to boost your website's performance, strengthen security, or use a different DNS provider, knowing how to update your DNS settings is an essential skill. I'll walk you through each step to make sure the process goes smoothly. Start by going to the Ionos website. On the homepage, look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner. Click it. This is your gateway to managing your account, including DNS settings. Under the Sign In options, click on Customer Account. You'll be taken to the Login portal. Enter the email address associated with your Ionos account. Be accurate here. Entering the wrong details will prevent you from logging in. After typing your email, click Next. Then enter your password and click Next again. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Ionos dashboard. This is your central hub for managing everything related to your account. To find the DNS settings, look for the Domains and SSL section. That's where your domains are managed and where you'll find the settings you need to adjust. Inside the Domains and SSL section, locate the domain you want to change DNS settings for. Next to your domain, you'll see 3 dots and ellipsis. Click that symbol to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, select DNS. Now you're on the DNS settings page. Here, you'll see a list of current DNS records for your chosen domain. To edit any of them, look for the pencil icon and click it. That will allow you to modify existing records or add new ones. Changing DNS settings might seem intimidating, but remember, precision is key. Each record must be entered correctly to keep your website functioning properly. A wrong entry can lead to downtime or connection issues, something we definitely want to avoid. After you've made your changes, whether you're updating an A record, MX record, or any other type, take a moment to review everything for accuracy. Once you're confident it's all correct, save your changes. This will apply the new DNS settings to your domain. Keep in mind that DNS changes take time to spread across the internet. You won't see the effects immediately. Propagation can take anywhere from a few minutes up to 48 hours to fully take effect worldwide. And that's it. You've successfully changed your DNS settings on Ionos. Remember, these changes have a real impact on how your website operates and interacts with visitors, so always proceed carefully and double-check your work. Whether you're a website owner tweaking performance, a professional managing multiple domains, or just someone curious about the back end of websites, mastering DNS settings is a valuable skill. The internet is always evolving, and staying up to date with best practices is always a good idea. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.